Do you want to turn your freelance hustle into something big? Here are 12 skills you can learn starting today that top clients pay premium rates for in 2025. Now, let's take a look at why these skills will pay you in 2025. They will pay you because there is demand across global job markets. There is less competition in niche/advanced skills. You'll be able to charge premium rates. You would also have a role in technology and automation in shaping client needs. Look, if you master these skills, you won't be competing on price, you'll be competing on value. These are the skills that are growing fastest and they pay the best. Now let's get started. The first on our list today is web development/no code. These include HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React/Node.js. They are used for no-code tools, Webflow, Bubble, and so on. You can build responsive and scalable websites from these. Again, web development is still king, but here's a twist. No code is making it easier to build powerful sites without deep coding, and clients pay well for functional and clean sites. The next on our list today is AI/machine learning and prompt engineering. They include Python, TensorFlow, PyTorch, and they are used for ChatGPT and GPT prompt engineering. They are also automations and predictive models. I'm sure by now you have seen that AI is exploding. Clients want automations, smart systems, and tools that think. So if you can build or engineer prompts or models, you'll be in high demand. Number 3 on our list today is cybersecurity and ethical hacking. They include penetration testing, vulnerability scanning, and they are used for security audits, data protection, and compliance. Just so you know, with so many cyber threats these days, companies will pay top dollar for security experts who can protect their data and systems. The next is cloud computing and DevOps. They include AWS, Azure, GCP, and they are used in infrastructure as code, CI/CD pipelines, serverless, and containerization. Again, cloud is where businesses now live. If you know how to deploy, scale, automate, and maintain infrastructure, you're extremely valuable. Skill number 5 is blockchain and smart contracts development. They include Solidity, Rust, smart contracts, and they are used for DeFi, NFTs, crypto apps, security, and audits. The truth is that blockchain is not just hype. It is becoming an infrastructure. Smart contract developers are rare, so they are paid very well when they are good. Digital marketing and growth hacking. They include SEO, PPC, Facebook/Google ads, and they are used for funnel building, analytics, A and B testing, retention and growth strategies. Businesses always want growth, so if you can bring them traffic, conversion, and retention, then you become indispensable to them. Well, the next is content strategy and copywriting. They include persuasive sales copy, email sequences, and they are used for SEO content, blog writing, storytelling, strategy, and editorial planning. Because words still sell, that is why a good copy plus strategy equals revenue, and clients will pay well if you drive clicks, leads, and sales. The next is video production and editing. They include shooting videos, editing, color grading, motion graphics, and they are used for short forms videos, YouTube, Reels, post-production, and storytelling. Video is a dominating content, so the more you can edit, animate, and tell stories, the higher you can charge. Number 9 is data science and analytics. They include data visualization, dashboards, Python/R, statistical analysis, predictive modeling, as well as business insights. Clients have data, but only few of them know what to do with it. So if you can translate numbers into decisions, then you're good. Number 9 is UI UX and product design. They include Figma, Sketch, prototyping, and they are used for user research, wireframes, usability, interaction, and interface design. You know what? Good design isn't just pretty, it pays. So if you can make interfaces smooth and intuitive, clients will pay premium for it. Number 11 skill on our list today is virtual assistant/automation. They include task management, operations, scheduling, and automation tools like Zapier, Integromat are used for it. You can also do email management, client support as a virtual assistant. Imagine, a virtual assistant who also knows automation is priceless. One person, many tasks, and that is high value. Our last but not the least skill on number 12 today is translation/localization and language services. They include multilingual content adaptation, and they are used for localizing UI, websites, apps, cultural adaptation, and nuances. With global clients, they need content that speaks local. So translators and localization experts help brands resonate worldwide. Here are some professional tips on how to start. Pick 2 skills to focus on. First, use free courses and portfolio projects. And then, join relevant freelancing platforms. Then you should also network and share your work. Don't try to master all 12 at once to avoid information overload. Instead, just choose to build proof of work, apply consistently, and keep learning because momentum builds income. Now, always remember, your skills are your income. So, which skills will you be starting to learn today? Comment below. These skills are your ticket to higher income. Start learning, start applying. If you found this video valuable, please like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.